Well, today we come to fish for catfish at Jefferson. I have with me here Jason.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jason gonna be my assistant today. So it's about 87 degrees, very humid right now. Water is pretty calm. Water been go down. It goes down a lot. Look at that. This is the Rock River, and yeah, the water really goes down a lot. Look at. There's a little bit of current right there. That should be a good day for fishing for catfish. It's a warm day.
Yeah, this is kind of bait we're using right here. Sucker.
Yeah, this is my fishing pole right here. Shakespeare Tiger. It's a very nice one. I got a braided line right here, and I got a 2 ounce no roll sinker, and I got a little bead right here, and then I got two-way swivel, and then from the other end of the two-way swivel, I tie a fluorocarbon line. This is like 14 pound right here, and today we're gonna use sucker. This is a piece of metal right here, small one. I made it, and I bend a little bit right here, little hook right here up here, and then this is what I use right here. It's a sucker. The other end of the piece of metal right here, I poke it from here, from the mouth all the way. If you do it carefully, you wouldn't kill the fish at all. It's just so you poke it, should come out of the anus right here. See the anus? And then what you do is like you insert this line right here into that little eye that you make right here, and then to thread the I want to thread the fishing line through the body right here, come all the way throughout like that. And I use treble hooks. See a little small treble hook right here, a little tiny one. I don't want to use a big one. And then I tie a double clinch knot. Go 1, go 2, go 3, go 4, go 5, and put it through the loop, and then come back through the other loop. This should be this clinch knot is supposed to be super strong, and then trim off the line. Now I hide the treble hook inside that anus right here, like that, and we can use this metal stand and bell. Yeah, we're going for catfish. Loosen up the drag. For big fish, you gotta loosen up the drag a little bit. See, loosen up like that. And that's it, just toss it in. Oh, okay, and just put a bell right here. The fish bite, you know right away, because the bell will ring. When the bell rings, you know the fish bite.
Yeah.
There you got it. Got it. Yeah. Come on, Jason. Catch the fish. Scoop it up, Jason. Hey, hey. You're gonna lose it, Jason. Hold on. Just put it down. Put it down. Put it down. I pull it to you. Don't do anything. Just put it down. Give it time. Hold on. Just put it down, Jason. No, no, no. Just put it all the way down. You're gonna lose it very soon. Here. Here. Scoop it. Oh, yeah, it's all right. Oh. Yeah. I need to get my my plier. Oh, it's a pretty good one.
El resto es para ustedes dos. No, para ustedes.
Got it. Yeah. Got it. Man, it's at the pull right way. Go down. Oh, there's another one biting too. Oh, there's another one. Jason, go get the other one. No, never mind.
Never mind?
No.
Oh my God.
Both of them biting at the same time. Just get this one first. Yeah. Get this one first. It's a big one, Jason. Put it down. Put it down.
Got it everywhere, bro.
Put it down. It's a big one, Jason. Put it down. I pull it to you.
All right. Go here.
Oh my God! That. No, no. Oh, like just stay there. Don't pull it up. You spook it. Now, put it in front of here. Move it a little bit to here.
Oh, what the hell?
Here, here.
I got it.
Pull it up. Instead of do that, you're gonna bend the thing. Come on, Jason. Pull it up straight.
Right.
Man, the other one bite too, and then it. Oh my God!
Right.
It's a big one. Let me get the hook over there.
It's biting.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's big.
giant.
Yep.
This is giant.
Huge.
Oh, see how big they are? We got two of them already. This one probably close to 10 pounds maybe.
Oh my God, that's huge.
Yeah. Oh,
Whoa. Yo.
yeah, about 10 pounds at least.
Yeah.
Yep, 2-channel catfish. Yeah, the last one pretty big, right, Jason?
Yeah, it's pretty. Yeah, it's really big.
Yeah, the last one is almost like 10 pounds or so. The first one may be like 7 pounds. Oh, still jumping out. Still alive. Jason is excited. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm super excited.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm super excited.
Yeah. Jason always want to come to fish for catfish out here. He's super excited. This boy's like, yeah, this one. Bring the net. You got it? Yeah. I think this one, yeah. Yeah.
It's on?
Yeah, definitely it's biting. I wanted to get hooked. Got it, Jason. Got another one. This might be a small one, I think. Let's put it down there. Yeah, ooh, it might be a big one.
Yeah, put him in here.
Yeah. Let's pull it to you. No, don't lift it up. Just leave it there. No. Got it? Hey. Alright. Don't bend the thing. Pull it up. Don't bend. Oh man. Ooh. Pretty good one. Walk in front of me so I can see the fish. Do something. Yeah, number 3.
Oh, where's the bucket? Bucket's over
It's
there.
over there. No, the bucket's over there.
Oh, yeah.
This is number 3 catfish. So this one probably 8 pounds at least. It's time to go. So you're gonna just clean it. Oh well, it's a successful day. 3 catfish today.
Yeah.
Very successful day. Oh man. Come on, baby. Oh. Yeah, I think it's very successful day today. 3 catfish that we ready to go home. Is around 10:30 already. And thank you, Jason, for.
Of course.
Yeah, I think without Jason, I don't think I can catch the catfish. Too big, wouldn't be able to, bring them in. Oh, awesome, right? I don't think we have any more space anymore.
Yeah.
All right, thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.